Hi friends, this video is a complete tour guide of the best things to do in Stowe. This charming Vermont village offers breathtaking mountain scenery, outdoor adventures, and quintessential New England charm. Here are 10 must-do activities that will make your Stowe visit unforgettable. 1. Drive or hike the auto toll road to Mount Mansfield. Experience Vermont's highest peak via this scenic 4.5-mile road that climbs to 3,850 feet with stunning valley views. You can drive up, summer only, or challenge yourself to hike the historic road built in 1870, passing through changing ecosystems along the way. At the summit parking area, a short walk leads to the famous Nose, with 360-degree views stretching to New York and Canada. Don't miss the chance to walk along the ridge on the long trail. Just be prepared for potentially windy conditions at the top. Fall visitors are treated to the most spectacular foliage displays in New England. 2. Explore Stowe Recreation Path. Enjoy 5.3 miles of paved scenic trail winding through meadows, forests, and along the West Branch River. You can walk, bike, or rollerblade past covered bridges, mountain views, and wildflower fields that change with the seasons. The flat, well-maintained path connects to many local shops and restaurants, making it perfect for combining exercise with sightseeing. Several trailside benches and picnic spots invite you to relax and soak in the beautiful surroundings. Rent bikes in town or bring your own to explore this gem that's beautiful year-round and groomed for cross-country skiing in winter. 3rd, tour the Trapp family lodge. Step into the Sound of Music history at this Austrian-inspired mountain resort founded by the von Trapp family. You can take guided tours of the property, learning about the family's escape from Austria and their Vermont legacy. The lodge's bakery serves authentic Austrian pastries like apple strudel that taste even better with mountain views. Don't miss the on-site brewery producing European-style lagers using local ingredients. Even if you're not staying overnight, the property's hiking trails and stunning vistas are worth the visit alone. 4th, visit the Stowe Farmers Market sample Vermont's agricultural bounty at this vibrant weekly market, May-October, featuring over 50 local vendors. You'll find everything from artisan cheeses and maple syrup to handmade crafts and fresh produce grown in the shadow of Mount Mansfield. The market's lively atmosphere includes live music, cooking demos, and plenty of samples to try before you buy. Don't leave without trying a fresh cider donut or maple creamy, Vermont's version of soft serve. Winter markets continue indoors at various locations, ensuring year-round access to local products. Hit the like button if you like the video. 5. Experience Ben & Jerry's Waterbury factory. Indulge your sweet tooth with a short drive to this iconic ice cream factory just 20 minutes from Stowe. You can take guided tours showing how their famous flavors are made and get a free sample at the end. The Flavor Graveyard pays humorous tribute to discontinued varieties like Wavy Gravy and Sweaty Balls. Don't miss the chance to try limited edition flavors only available at the Factory Scoop shop. Combine your visit with stops at other Waterbury attractions like the Cabot Cheese Annex for the ultimate Vermont foodie experience. 6. Ski or ride. Stowe Mountain Resort. Carve world-class slopes at Vermont's premier ski destination with the terrain for all ability levels. You can challenge yourself on the famous Front 4 expert trails or enjoy gentle cruisers with breathtaking mountain views. The resort's state-of-the-art lifts and snowmaking ensure excellent conditions throughout the season. Summer visitors can ride the gondola for stunning alpine views and hiking access to the summit. Don't miss après-ski at the Cliff House restaurant, accessible by gondola and offering gourmet meals with panoramic vistas. 7. Walk through Stowe Village. Stroll this picture-perfect New England downtown with its white-steepled church, quaint shops, and mountain backdrop. You can browse specialty stores selling Vermont-made products like maple syrup, woolens, and handcrafted pottery. The historic Green Mountain Inn's lobby is worth a peek for its cozy atmosphere and fascinating local artifacts. Evening visitors will love the village's excellent restaurants serving everything from farm-to-table cuisine to classic pub fare. During winter, the streets twinkle with festive lights, creating a storybook holiday atmosphere. 8. Hike to Bingham Falls. Discover this stunning waterfall hidden in a mossy gorge just minutes from downtown Stowe. You can take the short but steep trail to the base of the falls where brave souls plunge into the icy pool below. The surrounding smooth rocks make perfect picnic spots on warm summer days when the mist keeps you cool. Fall visitors are treated to a spectacular display of colors framing the cascading water. Use caution as rocks can be slippery. Proper footwear is highly recommended for this beautiful but rugged natural attraction. 9. Visit the Vermont Ski and Snowboard Museum. Celebrate winter sports history at this engaging museum located right in Stowe Village. You'll see vintage ski equipment, Olympic memorabilia, and exhibits tracing the evolution of snow sports in Vermont. The museum's collection includes everything from 19th century wooden skis to modern high-tech gear used by champions. Special exhibits highlight local legends like Billy Kidd and the 10th Mountain Division's contributions to skiing. Don't miss the chance to sit in an actual ski gondola converted into a mini theater showing historic ski films. 10. Relax at a local brewery, or Cidery sample Vermont's famous craft beverages at Stowe area producers like The Alchemist or Stowe Cider. You can tour facilities learning about the brewing process and Vermont's hop-growing heritage before tasting sessions. Many locations offer outdoor seating with mountain views perfect for enjoying a cold one after outdoor adventures. Don't miss trying Heady Topper, the legendary IPA that put Vermont on the craft beer map. Several establishments host live music and food trucks, creating a lively social scene especially on weekends. That's it for the best things to do in Stowe. From mountain adventures to charming village life and delicious local flavors, this Vermont gem offers quintessential New England experiences. Let us know in the comments which Stowe activity excites you most. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing New England travel guides. Until next time, happy travels. May your Stowe adventure be filled with mountain vistas, maple flavors, and plenty of fresh Vermont air.